Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is rarely. Rarely basically means infrequently or not very often. Example includes she rarely visits her grandparents who live in another state. कोई चीज़ जो बहुत कभी कभार हो, बहुत frequent ना हो, उसके लिए हम rarely का word use करते हैं. Synonyms basically include seldom, scarcely, hardly ever, ever, occasionally, infrequently, and sporadically. And antonyms basically include frequently, often, regularly, usually, always, and constantly. Next, it's reproachful. The word reproachful basically means expressing disapproval or disappointment. Example includes his reproachful tone made it clear that not happy with her. Synonyms basically includes critical, scalding, disapproving, reproving, admonishing, rebuking, and antonyms includes praising, approving, laudatory, complimentary, appreciative, and admiring. Rag. Rag basically means something that is torn, worn out, or in poor condition. Example includes the old man was wearing a ragged coat that had seen better days. तो ragged होता है बहुत फटे पुराने की sense में. Synonyms include tattered, threadbare, shabby, worn out, dilapidated, and frayed. And antonyms includes new, pristine, neat, tidy, well kept, and well maintained. Next word is revolving. Revolving basically refers to something that moves or turns around a central point or axis. Example includes the revolving door at the entrance of the mall kept spinning as the people entered or exited. तो घूमने को जो है ना वो revolving के sense में लेते हैं. Synonyms includes rotating, spinning, turning, circling, whirling, and gyrating. And antonyms includes still, stationary, fixed, immobile, motionless, and static. Resonant. Resonant basically means producing or exhibiting a deep, reproachful, and reverberating sound or tone. Example basically includes a resonant singer, voice of a singer filled the concert hall. ठीक है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा गूंजने वाली हो, जिसमें बहुत एनर्जी हो, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ठहराव हो, उसके लिए resonant का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल होता है. Synonyms includes sonorous, booming, deep, rich, vibrant, full-bodied, and antonyms includes weak, feeble, quiet, muted, flat, and dull. Next word is scenario. Scenario basically refers to a written outline of a movie, novel, or stage, giving details of a plot and the individual scenes. And examples includes the director presented the scenario of the movie to the producer. ठीक है, जो आप नक्शा खींचते हैं या जो आप एक मंजरनामा बनाते हैं, उसके लिए scenario का word use होता है. So synonyms includes plot, outline, story, screenplay, script, and plan. And antonyms includes chaos, disorder, confusion, randomness, unpredictability, and disorganization. Next word is swarmed. Swarm basically means to be crowded or overwhelmed by a large group of the people, animals, or insects. Example includes the picnic area was swarmed with ants. Synonyms include crowded, thronged, inundated, teeming, packed, jammed. And antonyms includes deserted, empty, vacated, barren, isolated, and depopulated. This is all for today. Thank you so much.